Want to change your Netflix password from your phone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily change the password of your Netflix app. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Netflix. Once the page loads, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your email address or the mobile number associated with your account. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. It will lead you to the page where you'll need to enter the password. But in case if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset or change it, then tap on Forgot Password. Simply choose Email Address and enter the email address of your account. Once done, click on Email Me. After that, head over to your email. You will receive one verification mail on your email address. All you gotta do is click on it and it will land you on this page. Now you have to enter the current password of your Netflix and then create a new password. For the confirmation, re-enter new password and then click on Save. After that, your password will be changed. So this is simply how you can change the Netflix password on your phone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.